Hi guys, let's see the summary and theme of the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo, written by Edward Lear. Okay, so it is a humorous poem of Edward Lear. The poet wants to tell us that we can get the tedious work done by others through our sweet and polite behavior. Okay, so poet wants to say if the work is tedious that means work is too long or slow or dull. Sometimes it is tiresome or monotonous. So we can, if we don't want to do that thing, we can make others do for us, but through our sweet and polite behavior. The duck, a water animal, as we all know that duck is a water animal. What happens in this poem? We see that he requests the forest animal, who is kangaroo, to let him ride on his back. Okay, which duck cannot do. That's why he is politely asking kangaroo, who is the forest animal, to let him ride on his back. The kangaroo denies because of its cold and wet feet. So kangaroo has a problem. That's why he does not allow the duck to walk on his back. So he has the problem of cold and wet feet. The duck requests that he has bought worsted socks and a cigar for smoking for warmth. Okay, so for this problem, Duck comes up with a solution here, and he says that I have bought worsted socks for you. Worsted socks are of high quality wool yarn, so that can be a solution for wet feet. And as far as the cold feet are there, for that cigar can give him warmth. So this kind of help was suggested by duck to kangaroo. Then what happens? Its affection results in melting the heart of the kangaroo, and kangaroo is ready. His heart is melted now. The kangaroo now allowed him to ride on his back, and they go on a world tour. So here we see that the polite behavior, the humble gesture can turn or can change the things in your favor. Okay, so this is the brief summary of this poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo. Now let's see what's the theme. Okay, following the same routine in day to day life bores us. We all must be agreeing to this fact that if we do the same things in our routine, in our daily life, we get bored. This is not the way we are supposed to lead life, and this is not suggested by anyone to live same kind of life every day. We should try out adventures and try to do new things in life. For that, we can try something different, something adventurous. Sorry. Often we have to take the help of others to bring a change in our life, and there is no shame in asking for the help from people. And if they can change in our life, it is good to ask. We cannot accomplish things on our own, and certainly it's a fact that we cannot accomplish all the things by our own. So there is no harm in taking help of others, but taking help from others may not be a smooth affair. Okay, so what happens, it's not sure that the person who is in front of us, whom we are asking for help, will be agreeing to that. The person whom we approach may place certain conditions, just like kangaroo was also not allowing the duck to be on his back, because he was having, or he was placing certain conditions in front of duck. If these conditions are adhered to, if these conditions are abided by us, can be fulfilled by us, we should do, then we can go ahead to carry out the program. And then if we have found out the solutions for that, we should resume the things. This may provide mutual benefit to both the partners, and we see that from the example of this poem, we saw that sorry, with the mutual benefit, both the partners were benefited. And this is how the story goes on, and this is the summary and theme of this poem. I hope you have liked it, you have understood the theme and summary of this poem. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.